Hi, I'm Rogelio, your admin assistant and automation specialist. In this video, I'll show you a Python script that automates folder creation based on different tasks, like e-commerce, retail, bookkeeping, or travel agent bookings. Let's dive in and make your workflow smarter. First of all, you have to go to GitHub. So I'll show you how to do this. Copy this. Open the browser. Copy. Paste then download the file. So you have to click the code and then download zip. And then open that. So it's going to open the Explorer. And then right click. Extract the file. Extract. And then it will show the another folder. Click that and then make sure Python is installed on your OS before running the script. Setup instructions are in the comments or video description. So, and then we have to click this run script, right click, open, and then you have to select the run. And then it will show now the Python script that I created. So you will see the 4 project need selection. The one is e-commerce, number 2 is real estate, 3 bookkeeper, 4 travel agent booking. So I will going to select the e-commerce. So 1. So enter the client name for the e-commerce project so that you can identify which client to be used on this folder management. So I'm to type my name first, example, Rogelio Digital. Enter. So now it's now created in folder creating the project Rogelio Digital e-commerce, location in C, Rogelio Digital documents, Rogelio Digital. So you have to see it in Explorer. So in below, open folder in File Explorer. So you have to type the Y. Now show up the created automated folder. So in the number 1, Ecom inventory, about inventory, product catalog, supply, and then Ecom marketing. You will go to save here the marketing, and then orders or support. That's it. You can download the script from my GitHub to follow along. Thank you for watching.